Hello, good morning. So, welcome to Thematic Lectures. Okay, so today I would like to give some idea about quadratic equations. So, what is basically a quadratic equation? You know, right? What is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is always developed or in the form of a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So quadratic equation means, quadra means second degree polynomial. So the maximum power of this function is 2. So that's why it is known as quadratic equation. Clear? So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So there are basically 4 methods to solve a quadratic equation. Okay? So in which the first one is known as by the method of completion. Okay, so completing square method. So that is one method, and second method is known as by quadratic formula. Okay, and third one is known as by factorization. Okay, by factorization. And the fourth method is by plotting graph. Okay, so this basically is solving means we are finding the value of x. So that value of x, if you are substituting in this equation, we will get the answer 0. So in this video lecture, I am going to explain about how to solve a quadratic equation using completing square method. I repeat, by using completing square method. Okay, so I will start with an example. Remember, other 3 methods will be uploaded as separate videos. So you can also watch that videos in future. Immediately I will upload. Okay, so this is about completing the square method. Okay, so we'll consider one example. So using that equation or using that example, we will find how to solve a quadratic equation by completing square method. Okay, so for example, so type 1 completing type 1. Okay, so one type of question we are solving using completing square method. So x square plus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So I need to find the solution of this equation. Okay, so how to solve this question? See, this coefficient is what? X square. So the first step is you simply write x. Okay, then what we have to do is, this sign is plus, right? So you have to write plus. Then what is the coefficient of x here? That is 3. So you have to take the half of that 3. So that means 3 over 2. Then you take the entire whole square of x plus 3 by 2 whole square. Repeat, this sign is plus, that's why I put plus. So this is x square, we have to write x. Okay, so type 1 means the coefficient of x square is 1. So the completion of square is only happening when the coefficient of x square is 1. If it is not, I will explain that with another example. Okay, so x plus 3 by 2 whole square. Then what we have to, irrespective of the sign, even if it is plus or minus here, we have to put here minus. Okay, we have to put minus. Then what we have to do, we have to take the square of this term, the second term in this expression. So what is this term? What is the term here? That is 3 by 2, right? So we have to take the square of 3 by 2 and you write this number. What is this? Minus 2. That is equal to what? 0. So now what we have to do is, we have to expand it. X plus 3 by 2 whole square. What is minus 3 by 2 whole square? That is 9 over 4, right? 9 over 4 minus 2 is equal to 0. So you take the LCM of this part. So what will be the LCM? You know how to take the LCM of two fractional numbers, right? So you can use some mental calculations. I hope you can do that, right? So that is x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus, it is going to be what? Minus 17 over 4, right? Minus 17 over 4, that is equal to 0. Next step, you can bring this minus 10 to right hand side. So what happens? X plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 17 by 4. Actually what we need, basically we need to make x as the subject, or we need to find the value of x. That is the solution, right? So x plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 17 by 4. X is inside the square, so we have to remove the square part, right? So we have to take square root on both sides. So if you are taking the square root of x plus 3 by 2 whole square, it becomes x plus 3 by 2. That is equal to what? If I am taking the square root, it becomes what? Plus or minus 17 by 2. Plus or minus 17 by 2. Now, I need the value of x. So you can bring that 3 by 2 to that side. So what is the solution? Minus 3 by 2 plus or minus root 17 by 2. So this is a simple method. So this is how we are finding the solution of this answer. So this is the answer. So minus, so why plus or minus? One value is plus and one value is minus. So one value is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus root 17 by 2, and another value is minus 3 by 2 minus root 17 by 2. So these are the two solutions using completing the method of completing square method. Okay, so this is a type 1 question. Type 1 question, I repeat. So what is type 1 question? The coefficient of x square is 1. So you just pause this video, and if you need further clarification, you just pause this video and you try to solve this solution. So if you have further doubts, you can drop comments. Okay, so I will explain that, no worries.
So guys, I hope you understood the concept of completion of square method, right? So don't worry, I will give you one more example to explain the entire concept about completion of square. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also, you please press that bell icon to get my updated videos. Okay, so till then, bye bye, stay tuned.